Richard Clues founded a company called Pants and Socks, a company which sells, well, they wanted to encourage customers who bought one product to buy another product. So he encouraged buyers to buy matching pants and socks, and within 6 weeks, he saw a 12% revenue spike. And still, the company sees about 8 to 12% in new sales from cross-selling tactics like emails, subscription upsells, and product page suggestions. Cross-selling is a simple concept, but getting it right requires strategy and care, so you recommend the right products in the right way. But first, what is cross-selling? Cross-selling is a sales technique in which a customer looks at one item and a retailer recommends other products that complement or are related to it. Cross-selling can happen in person, as in, do you want fries with that? Or online. And this is not a new strategy. Amazon has been cross-selling for years with its people also bought displays on product pages. But many small and mid-sized businesses don't have cross-selling techniques in place, which means they're leaving money on the table. So if you're just starting out with cross-selling, here's some basic rules to follow so that you can get the best value out of your efforts. First, follow the data. Examine your post-purchase data to determine the best cross-selling options for your site. Look for patterns in customer behavior. Did someone buy an item and then come back and get a related item later? That could be a good cross-sell opportunity to display on both product pages. Once you see patterns, you can analyze that data and create user profiles based on those patterns. Do people with a cart value of $100 or greater seem more inclined to purchase higher ticket items, or do they buy items on clearance? Then target them with a relevant pop-up. After you have your user profiles in place, you can use an interface like Privy's to set up your cross-selling pop-ups to provide your customers with the items you predict they'll buy. Second, try multiple forms of cross-selling. At Pants and Socks, the company found that 3 different types of cross-selling worked. First was emails. So when customers purchased socks, the company would send a promo for matching pants. And when customers buy pants, they sent an email to buy socks. Next, they utilized the product page, where the company displays coordinating socks on pant pages and vice versa. And lastly, they use subscription upsells, or when a customer subscribes to a recurring socks or pants package, they receive a message to get the other kind as well. Not every strategy will work for every company. For instance, at Surf Gear Lab, the company cross-sells at pre-checkout and during checkout. At pre-checkout, it shows the customers 3 to 4 products related to what they're buying. Then at checkout, it displays a pop-up with one related product. And for Surf Lab, these increase their monthly revenue by 28%. Now, third and most importantly, only show items that your customer will value. Promoting irrelevant products can drive a customer away. People who purchase a skateboard should be shown pads and a helmet, not cookware and electronics. Now, in the same vein, you also want to ensure you're not making too many cross-selling suggestions. Overwhelming your customer with suggestions isn't prioritizing their experience. So, do the research. Figure out what your customers are buying and how they're buying it. Then use a tool like Privy to send perfectly timed cross-sell pop-ups and emails. To learn more about how to grow your business fast, check out our new free learning platform, Masterclass Plus, filled with free courses to take your business to the next level in conversion, influencer marketing, best practices, with more being added every month. You can get free access using the link below. I'll see you there. Bye.